Kambuni ya wedia wa thitima bururi-ini KenGen nimarutite kimajika kia ngiri magana manana ma imwe kuri muthaki wa gofu namba imwe guku bururi-ini Micheal Karanga. Urugamiriri wa Micheal Karanga ukite thiku imwe kamwiro wa Mbitika cia Magical Kenya Open kunyita itemi muthi wa rucio.
This morning, KenGen is proud to endorse Micheal Karanga, emphasizing our commitment to advancing sports, particularly golf, both locally and globally. Through this sponsorship, KenGen aims to underscore its commitment to nurturing local talent capable of bringing honor and recognition to Kenya. This collaboration reaffirms our commitment to sustainable energy solutions, social responsibility, and the pursuit of excellence and innovation, aligning seamlessly with our core values.
Kasi ya Magical Kenya Open stanyite kunyita itemi ginya tariki 15 mweri uyu karo-ini kia golf kia muthaiga.
As a humbled man, and feel also honored to be given this opportunity to fly the KenGen flag in the DP World Tour tournament at Muthaiga Golf Club.
Kambuni ino ya KenGen mugite na mwihoko ni uhoti wa Micheal Karanga na kambuni iyo
are the talents that we need to support, and our aim when resources allow will be to go all the way with him, because we believe by him shining in Kenya and shining elsewhere in the world, he is actually positioning KenGen in the world map.
Kuo mwena wa Micheal Karanga ni ataririe ena mwihoko kwandikithia maumirira mega ni undu wa yakite mehariria ma kuigana Mbitika-Ini cia Kenya Magical.
I've played with the best of the best in the world, so I'm used to this, so I have no pressure or anything, because playing with the best of the best, you know, you can think you are the best in Kenya, but if you go outside, you meet those pros. The problem is in Kenya, when the Kenya Open comes, you find it is the only tournament that you are competing against the best of the best in the world. But myself, I've gotten by that exposure. Even I've won outside the country. I've won Ghana Open, so it's something I'm used to.
Ya ikarugamiriro ni athaki ta Dismas Indiza, Greg Snow na muthaki Joru Micheal Karanga na angi aingĩ handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV iharo-inĩ njĩtagwo Mwangi wa Gĩcohi.